Welcome to Akko Driving School. This is our location. Let's visit our office. Welcome to Akko Driving School. Are you by any chance looking for a suitable driving school of your choice? Visit Akko Driving School along the Eastern Bypass in Mwihoko, Kiambu County. Akko Driving School offers both short courses and full courses for manual cars. Akko Driving School also has suitable instructors for your driving lessons, and it only takes a period of 1 to 3 months according to your capability. Feel free to visit Akko Driving School through the contact line 0713 923 912. Welcome to Akko Driving School. Contact us. Thank you. Welcome to Akko Driving class. This is our class. This is our instructor, Mr. Jomo. How has been your experience so far in Akko Driving School?
My experience in Akko Driving School has been good because I have gained knowledge about driving in both practical and theory.
Can you recommend this school to any person?
Yeah. Yes.
Why?
Because Akko Driving School is a competent school with adequate facilities and professional instructors.
As you have heard, this is a competent driving school. Welcome to Akko Driving School. Contact us through the helpline number 0713 923 912. Welcome to Akko Driving School. Thank you.